Hello Android enthusiasts! In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to locate the International Mobile Equipment Identity (IMEI) number on your Android phone. Whether you need it for warranty purposes, device identification, or security reasons, knowing your IMEI is essential. Let's dive in. 1. Using the Settings app, open the Settings app on your Android phone, scroll down and tap on About Phone. Look for the IMEI number listed under the relevant section. 2. Using the phone dialer, open the phone app, the one with the phone receiver icon. Dial #06# using the dial pad. Wait for the dialog box to appear. It will display your IMEI number. 3. Record your IMEI, write down or take a screenshot of your IMEI number. Keep it in a safe place for future reference.